How cool. That's your toy? Where's your duck? Where's your duck? Good boy. Yeah. Can I have it? How about... No? What are you going to do now? You're not going to play with me because I'm not Dad, huh? Why won't you play tug of war with me? Oh! You might actually do it this time. Oh, shit hot! Hello, Nubbin. Are you excited? Oh, you kill that pheasant. You kill him. You kill him. Oh. I see you ate the wings off. Yeah? Okay.